Hi there. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to play a sound in a Visual C# program, specifically in your TicTacToe program. So let's get to it. The first thing I need to do when I want to play a sound is I need to import the sound file and make it one of my project resources. So this is similar to importing an image file. You go through the same process. You go to the project menu, then you go to properties, then you go to add resource, add existing file, and now I'm going to browse to the F drive. It's the W drive on my computer, but your computer is the F drive. I go to ICS, then I go to ICS images and sounds, then I go to ICS sounds, and now I'm going to make sure I do all files, and I'm going to browse for I'll do bubbles underwater, and I double click on that, and then let me also add another one, and that one, what should I pick for it? I'm going to do images and sounds again. Sounds. Let's do cartoon. Cartoon. Nah. Let's do. Let's do Crickets 4. Okay, so now in my program, I'm going to bring up my code, and in the case of my TicTacToe game, I want it to make a sound every time one of the users plays. So let me look at the code, and when in the event handlers for them clicking on a button, I'm going to let's see. I'm going to use this statement. It's going to be all right. Let me find it. Okay, so when a player plays, I'm going to use